Alright, you guys. It's a Mad Dog Mountain Arts day where I'm like at work. But I'm not at work. I'm on break. So it's super rainy. And I know, we do a lot of like, yeah, I film the wishing well a lot. I'm sorry about that. And I thought I really could have like ripped up maybe through the woods. I'm on a half-hour lunch. So I guess if I'd been more excited about it, motivated, if I'd had the thought in my mind beforehand, we could have actually like ripped up that trail and gone to the top of the waterfall there, rather than just coming down here and filming the tide flats again. But you know what's interesting today is it's so foggy that you can't really even see. You know how usually you can see there's like Talio Cannery over there? It's so socked in today. Look, that's just all gray sky. Kind of interesting, hey? What happened there? Film zoomed out. Film zoomed out. Yeah, so I mean, and there's a wharf in the distance. And when I film one like that. Weird. But I thought there was a good chance that there might be some good materials that have like come down the mountain. Too bad we couldn't get to the other side and check those out, eh? Those probably got some good materials coming down at Pootless Mountain over there. This big puddle here. And whatever. I just don't want to be too late, I guess. I'm not quite sure. Like, I think I could make it through that trail in 10-15 minutes or whatever, but maybe I couldn't make it through that trail in 10-15 minutes. I don't know. But let's have a look at the rock face over here anyways. There's nobody with me. Some of this rock face is pink. I want to walk in there. Look at this old building. There was a trailer in here before. Some of that rock up there is slate. Some of it's granite. I want to get a look at that piece too, but I'm nervous about walking through like old building areas. So I don't want to step on anything. Step on anything weird, you know? Oh, there's an old car in there too. Can't even see that eagle. Where is it? Right above me, but just can't see him. Right? Like I don't want to walk in there. There's a really old car. Where is that guy? Am I just a wuss? I don't want to walk in there. There's an old stove in there. Ugh. Yeah, I know, I'm kind of a wuss sometimes. So this rock wall that I'm always looking at, and I think is interesting. Regular granite. Regular granite. There he is. Can I see him? Good guy. Yeah, so I'm at the preschool. It's kind of like some fur. It's fine. It's just I'm so much more active in my regular life now. I just feel like going home and going to bed because I've kind of just been sitting around. I have that problem. It's like I can't. It's either move or sleep. Move or sleep. So the other day I got up at like 4:30 and did that workout before I came to work. And I think that that's just going to have to be, I'm going to have to do that again tomorrow. Just to make sure that I'm actually a good worker. Because I am like falling asleep. sleep, that's for sure. It's hard to like do a job. I want to make sure everybody, you know, want to work for my money. So anyways, there's probably a lot of good material getting pushed down here because of the rain. I know I did a video here the other day, like last week, and it was raining. Well, it's still raining. Still lots of stuff coming down. Still this side, tributaries. Boom! Well, I just thought we'd come here and check it out and see if anything new had gotten knocked down as the water comes down. As the water turns, more and more stuff will get knocked down, right? Or exposed. I really want to climb up there. I should have thought about that. There was a lot of cool stuff at the top. There's a lot of good crystal when we're up there, so it might be SOL for any new pieces, but it's kind of worth a look, right? Worth a look. Come look over here. Oh, neat. You can see that the water came through here, flooded through here. It's got some pink stain on it. I know now I must have gotten something on my camera. My camera's got this part stinks. I grabbed the pink rock out of there because there's some pink there that I like. And there's that whole side up there that I'd like to climb up there and check that out, but when? There we go. That was cool, eh? A little bit of a cave. Cave system. Right. I'd like to be up there. It's so cool. In the rainforest. Yeah, rainforest. Yeah, so I totally appreciate everybody, as usual, watching my stuff. Thanks for watching my stuff. Oh yeah. Here's a piece that fell down. There's a big hematite vein up there, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. There's probably more veins. I don't know what's in that cave. I don't know what's over there. But this is very interesting. Nice find. Just got one nice find. Boom, 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 boom. Gangsta. Come gangsta, won't you let me in? Nobody been to compare to your gangsta. Old pipe here. I wonder what's in there. I just got sketched out about like actually. There's a big crack up there. That would be cool to check out too. All that. And how much time do you really have? There's a meat. I kind of feel lame though, just coming to the same waterfall all the time, you guys. I'm sorry, but oh yeah. What's this? Oh, there's a cave over here too, isn't there? Yes. That's an interesting piece though. Same kind of quartz. Oh, what is this? Man-made something? Yeah, foam. Oh, but that's different, isn't it? You guys see that? much moss though, hey? Hard to tell. Hard to tell. It's definitely red. Oxidization. What am I going to do? Just start peeling back the quartz here? Peeling back the moss to have a look? Look at these ferns. Oh, pretty, pretty. I know, there's the eagle. There goes that eagle. Well, at least I found one piece. Anyways, look at the bush around here. You could check further in there. That looks like that's got some cave to it. There's some garbage in there though. Cave, garbage. Like I said. I'm just on a half an hour, so let's look and see if anything's falling down the water. Actual waterfall. Very cool ferns though, hey? Look at that bird. Look at him. What's he doing? That was neat. Catching the current. Look at him. You guys see him? Ah, I got a raindrop in the face. You guys see him? That's one of the coolest guys. What's he doing? Hunting for something. Maybe he thinks I'm a mouse. Haha. Yeah, right. Okay. Where did I put my crystal? Right here. So we'll go look at the other part. Well, I can probably shimmy up there. I know I can. And there might be something up there, maybe. I mean, this is down here in this corner, too. The thing with always, like, coming back, I mean, I was up here and I looked at all the material, so I don't know if any new material would have gotten knocked down. But stuff like this, that's pretty white, hey? Stuff like that. Well, maybe it is, because look. Man, I'm cold though. I am cold. Well, this woke me up. Yeah, so we're Mad Dog Mountainers, you know, and not everybody likes us, but the people that do like us really like us, so that's okay. If you want to follow my rock channel, I would super appreciate that. I'm hoping we're going to get another chance to go out of town here before the winter completely hits. A lot of these pieces, they just end up, I take them home and put them in the yard. That's it. Some of them I turn into art. So yeah, I kind of get the feeling that underneath this whole thing here, like, see all this, right? I think you could dig a lot of this up, and there would probably be a lot of material in here underneath all this rock. Maybe it'd be a good idea to come in with, like, you know, shovel some of it up. That would definitely be some more work, but it might be worth it. Ripping, hey? We'll get around the other side and then we'll film it, and then that's an 11-minute video, so I probably got to get out of here and head it on back. But when this calms down, I'll come here and check all in here, see what came bouncing down. Ripping. Maybe there's some stuff caught in there that I can really look at. Over there, kind of a spot sometimes. But I'm frozen. I am frozen. So let's return to the daycare, or the preschool, sorry. That's cool, eh? Nature! You're so cool! Literally I'm freezing. Alright, look at this. Hematite quartz. This little guy's though, probably smashed apart when I fell down the hill. Alright, check my other videos. If you like videos, I like videos. You probably got some, let's see how it's going on the granite. Probably got some interesting videos that you might like. Ah, big piece must have come down. So that manganese in there. Good. All about Bella Coola, baby. Best place to live.